Hello dear students, how are you? Myself Pankaj Rai. You are welcomed in the chemistry academic classes. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about the crystal lattice or space lattice. In crystal lattice or space lattice, the particles of the lattice are joined by the straight line and form a three-dimensional network, three-dimensional geometrical structure that is called the space lattice or the crystal lattice. Dear students, in this crystal lattice you can see the each points which are joined by the straight line and generate a three-dimensional network. This is called the crystal lattice. In the crystal lattice, each points indicate the position of the particles. Particles may be atom, molecules or ions. Okay, these points are called lattice site or lattice point. Okay, in the crystal system, the smallest repeating portion you can see. This is the smallest repeating three-dimensional portion structure that is called unit cell. Okay, this is the crystal system or crystal lattice. On the basis of arrangements of the particles in the crystal system, crystal lattice, there are 14 possible three-dimensional lattices. These lattices are called Bravais lattices. See the characteristic of crystal lattice. Dear students, each lattice point in the crystal lattice is called lattice point or lattice site. Okay, each lattice point in the crystal lattice represent one constituent particles. It may be atom, molecules or ions. Lattice points are joined by straight lines to represent the geometry of the lattice. Okay, see the unit cell. What is unit cell? I told you just. In a crystal lattice, smallest repeating three-dimensional geometrical portion is called a unit cell. Okay, and how can we recognize the different types of unit cell? To determine the unit cell, we have to know some parameters, some characteristic features of the unit cell. Dear students, see, there are 6 parameters in which 3 are angles that are called axial angles alpha, beta, gamma, and 3 edges length, breadth and height A, B, C. Total 6 parameters. Dear students, so these parameters decide the type of unit cell. Okay, and next, main two categories of unit cell, that is known as primitive unit cell and centered unit cell. Means unit cell can be categorized into two main unit cells. One is primitive unit cell and centered unit cell. Okay, in case of first primitive unit cell or simple unit cell, the particles are present only at the corner. See, this is a cubic unit cell. In cubic unit cell, are you in a particular cube, there are 8 vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and particles is present only at the corner. So this is simple or primitive unit cell. Second, it is centered unit cell. Let us talk about this. In centered unit cell, particles are present at the center of unit cell or may be present at the center of faces besides the corner besides the corner. So primitive unit cell you have studied just before this, and in case of centered unit cell, one or more constituent particles are present at the position other than corners. Position of particles may be center of face of the unit cell or center of the unit cell. Okay, this centered unit cell is of three types: body centered unit cell, face centered unit cell, and end centered unit cell. In case of body centered unit cell, one particle is present at the center of the unit cell beside the corner. In case of face centered unit cell, each face contain one particle at is the center, means center of the face beside the corners. Okay, in case of end centered cell, two particles are present at the center of two opposite faces besides the corner. This is the end centered unit cell. Okay, dear students, see the crystal system. This is on the basis of parameters of the unit cell like axial angles and edge length. There are 14 possible Brevis lattices which are divided into 7 crystal systems. These 7 crystal systems are cubic crystal system, tetragonal crystal system, orthorhombic crystal system, monoclinic, triclinic, rhombohedral, or hexagonal. And dear students, 14 Brevis lattices means there are 3 type of lattice: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It means in these 7 crystal systems there are 14 types of unit cells are possible, and they form 14 type of Brevis lattices. Okay, now see the characteristic of each type of lattice system. In case of cubic lattice system, axial angles are equal, means A equal B equal C, and axial angles alpha, beta, gamma 90. Okay dear, means edge length equals and axial angles are also equal, that is 90 degree, and examples are copper, NaCl, etc. And in second, tetragonal. In this two type of crystal lattice system possible: primitive and body centered, in which edge A equal B but C is not equal to A and B. Okay, and all the angles are equal to each other, that is equal to 90. Example: white tin, SnO2, etc. And in case of third, orthorhombic crystal system. In this, primitive, body centered, face centered, end centered unit cell are possible. So this can form 4 type of crystal system, in which each is not equal to each other, means A, B, C are different, and angles are equal to each other, and also that is 90. Example: potassium nitrate, potassium sulfate, barium sulfate, etc. Next, monoclinic. In this two type of crystal system, primitive and end centered, in which all the edges are not equal to each other, means length, breadth, height are different, and the two angles alpha and gamma are equal, that is equal to 90, and next beta is not equal to alpha and beta and also not equal to 90. Okay, and example is sodium sulfate, decahydrate, lead chromate, etc. Next, triclinic. In triclinic, only primitive type of crystal system is possible, in which all the edges are not equal and all the angles are also not equals, and that is other than 90, not equal to 90. Example, copper sulfate, potassium chromate, and next is rhombohedral or trigonal crystal system. In this primitive crystal system is possible, in which all the edges are equal to each other and all the angles are also equal to each other but not equal to 90. Example, sodium nitrate, ICl, AS, etc. Next, last system, hexagonal. In this primitive or simple type of crystal system is possible, in which two edges A and B are equal and C is not equal to A and B, and angles alpha equal beta, that is equal to 90, and third angle gamma equal to 120. Okay, example, cinnabar, ice, magnesium, etc. These are the 7 type of crystal system. Okay, dear students, and in next topic we will study the calculation of contribution of atoms present at the different lattice sites to the unit shell. Okay, thanks and have a nice day.